Hi dearest, today we're going to be making this Ankara satellite fascinator. Let me tell you what happened. I was going to pick up my daughter from school and I saw these two lovely girls. I was like, wow, I need to make one for myself. And this is the one that actually caught my eyes. Do let me know which caught your eyes. And when I went there to ask for how much, another idea came to me. Money making series, why not collect pieces to also make a lovely fascinator for it? If you want to know more ideas that I have concerning making money, you can buy this My Millionaire's Wealth blueprint. It's that I'll give you at a discount for a month for this month. Okay, let's get into today's tutorial. So here are the materials I made use of making this Ankara satellite fascinator. You can pause and write them down. I'll also put them in the description below. Okay, now I had this mold. I used paper mat to mold it, just using only the top part because I just wanted a small part. Then I took scissors and I started cutting it all the way round like so. After that, I took my plastic millinery hat wire, and I sewed it all the way around. Then the next thing, I took my uhu gum and I glued round to stick the material I've already cut out to size to fit the fascinator base. Keep watching and learning. Next thing I did was to cut out my millinery hat wire. This is 36 inches. This time around I did the loop method of wrapping it with the bias. Now the next thing I did was to cover my hat wire with my veil. You can make use of half yard of veil, but if you're not so sure how to do that, please do buy 1 yard so that you'll be able to make use of it. Now this time I wanted it flat, so I'm not going to squeeze it. I'm just sewing it lightly so that I have it flat. Once you're done with the sewing, you cut out the excess on the top part as usual. Keep watching and learning. Okay, so we're back to our fascinator base. What you do is you cut out the excess of the material that's there using your razor blade. Then you take your uhu gum and you place it all around the tip of the fascinator base. Keep watching and learning. Then you place your fascinator base in the middle. If you want it at the side, that's okay, but I used the middle this time around. If you want in the middle, you need to shift your sewing also of the veil. Then I placed my hand right down. Now there's a trick. Now after I did that, I noticed that, you know, the layer of veil is 2. I noticed one layer was taken up, so I decided to take my candle glue gum and glue my bias right now instead of waiting to the end to cut it out. So in case you have that issue, this is what you do. You don't cut it out, don't cut the veil out yet, that's the middle. Just stick first of all your bias around it, or put a sham, or your trimming, whichever one you want to use. Okay, then the next thing, I've cut out the piece already. Oh sorry, I missed that part in the video. I've cut out the excess veil in the middle, and now I'm gluing the bias strongly. Now another thing I need to tell you why I sew my elastic band to it is that I noticed if you use candle glue gum and it stays in the sun, sweethearts, it will melt. So please do avoid using the candle glue gum. I just discovered that recently, so that's a tip for you. If you got that tip and you enjoyed it and it's value to you, please do give me a thumbs up. Yep, let's keep watching and learning. Okay, so the next thing I did was to cut out the pattern that I saw in this Ankara material. Really, anytime I see a pattern in Ankara material, it builds up the highest creativity in me. Does it do the same to you? If it does, do let me know in the comment section below. So I saw that pattern of leaves and I decided to cut it all out. Keep watching and learning. Okay, we're back. Alright, so what you do is, since the material will fray, of course, you need to take your lighter and burn the edges. Ensure you don't leave out anyone. So now the next thing I did was to use my uhu gum and I put it at the tips, not close to the tip, but tip wise, sort of round all the patterns that I've cut. And after I was done doing that, you see what I did. I placed it on the veil and it formed, man, the pattern was just so hot. Let me know in the comment section below whether you feel this design is hot. To me, it's wow. Okay, then I took the other one too and put at the other side. Then I took some other patterns also and I used it to cover the bias that I sewed, you know, the back, I mean not the bias, the elastic band. So I used it to cover and it made, don't you think it looks cool? Oh, and this is how it turned out. So before we look at the other sides of the view of this, Remember our last challenge in our last week's video. Let's see who won it. It is Noel Sang. Please do contact us in the Vancraft Academy. You see the link in the description below to pick up your gift. Congratulations. Now, in case you're interested in knowing how to make some more satellite fascinators, please do join us in the Vancraft Academy Fascinator Class 3 and Fascinator Class 2. You get all the value, so you do want to join us there. Then also a great one, yes, we're having a price slash mega super sales on our 13 classes in the Vancraft Academy. Instead of $34,000 or $73, you pay $32 or $15,000 for 13 classes. And the good thing about it is that you look at the videos at your own pace. You go through it at your own pace. You can ask questions and you would be answered. Don't miss that opportunity. It actually is meant to end next tomorrow on the 10th, but I would extend it for you, my subscribers and viewers, and give you one more week. And so it's going to end for you on the 17th of March 2023. Please do check the link below and join the Vancraft Academy and make a request for all our 13 classes currently available. Also, JL Datapro would like to let you know that they do offer great services, reduced prices for lovely big data that will help you look at my videos more, and also, of course, go through the online training I just told you about. So you want to contact them and grab this great offer. Please do check the link below for the link to click and get such great data. All right, so to our question for today, what was the great trick that I gave you in today's training? If you know the answer, please do write in the comment section below. And the winner, I'm going to be picking two winners. You're going to be getting to attend Fascinator Class 2 and Fascinator Class 3 for free. That's a big one, isn't it? Now, you don't want to miss the next week's video that I'm going to be putting up. I'm going to be creating the fascinator for the second gown that you can see on the far left. Is that left? No, that's my right, on the far right. And I've already started that, cutting out patterns as usual. When I see patterns, I told you I just can't help myself. The patterns must be used for something, and I'm creating a unique fascinator that you haven't seen on my channel before. So you want to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and go further and click the bell so you get notified when I put up the video. Plus, I do try to put up videos every day actually, so you would not want to miss that. Do subscribe and also click the bell for notification, and check this next video. It's actually a playlist of all my collection on my money making series. You would enjoy it.